Good morning, children. Welcome back to your class. Today we are going to read about the lesson number 2. We need food. Okay, can you open the page number 7? We are starting our new lesson. We need food. Page number 7. Okay. Now open your page. There is one small paragraph up here. Now I am going to read for you. And you have to give me the answer for that. Okay, I'll ask one question after that. Mickey and Minnie have just come home after playing. Mickey and Minnie have just come home after playing. They are both tired and hungry. After playing, what happened? They both become so tired and hungry also. Okay, there are 2 glasses of milk and a plate of sandwiches on the table. So when they came back to home after playing, what their mother did? She kept 2 glasses of milk and a plate of sandwich on the table. There is also a bottle of cola. Usually we will drink cool drinks, you know that. Coca-Cola is there, Thumbs Up, Pepsi, many are there. So what their mother did? She kept a bottle of cola over there. Now see what Minnie and Mickey are doing. Mickey and Minnie drink only the cola. What they did when they came back to home, when they entered the room, they saw on the table a glass of milk and a sandwich. And one more thing was there on the table, that is a cola. So what these 2 kids did? Now see what they did. And Minnie, Mickey drink only the cola. When they saw the cola, a cool drink on the table, they felt very happy and they left the milk and sandwiches on the table only, and they took the bottle of cola and they drank only the cola and leave the milk and sandwiches. Now they left the milk and sandwiches on the table only. Now do you think they did the right thing? Do you think that when they are hungry, when they are tired, and instead of taking a healthy diet like milk and sandwiches which is kept already on the table, what they did? They took the bottle of cola. So do you think that it is right to drink a cola? If right, then why? But according to me, it is not right, because cola is not going to give them any kind of energy. Okay, it's an unhealthy drink. And healthy drink is what kept over there on the table? It's milk and sandwiches. If they consume that, because we all know that milk is very good for health. What milk will do? Milk makes our bones and teeth very strong. That's why their mother, what she did? She kept milk and sandwiches. But Minnie and Mickey, what they did? They preferred the unhealthy food. They took the cola and they drink it. It's not a good thing. Okay. Now we will discuss about the food today. Now here you can see the food we eat. Lesson 2 we are doing today, children. What is a food? Food is what? A nutritious substances which are consumed by us, means which we will eat. Eat like fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, paneer, many things we eat, because mummy will prepare some or the other things every day. She prepared chapatis, she prepared dosas, she even prepared biryanis, rice, everything. Those all things are healthy food, and those food will give us energy. That's why we eat healthy food. That is why we need to consume the healthy food, because healthy food gives us energy. Can we see here, children? We need a food. We all need a food, because food gives us energy. It helps us to grow. Food even helps us to grow. Okay. Food makes us healthy. Food even makes us strong. Okay. Now what is happening? Food always gives us energy. It helps us to grow. It keeps us healthy. And it makes us strong. Now there are kinds of food. Means there are different kinds of food. As I told you, vegetables are there, fruits are there, even meat, fish, chicken, egg, many foods are there. But we are going to discuss in that kinds of food, energy giving food. What are the energy giving foods? What are the body building foods? And what are the foods which protect us? That is nothing but protective foods. First we will start with the energy giving foods. In energy giving foods like sugar, rice, rotis, bread, dosa and potatoes. These are the energy giving foods. What are those? Sugar, rice, rotis, bread, dosa and potatoes. These are the energy giving foods which help us to work and play. Okay, this would help us to work and play. And fats are found in nuts, ghee, butter and oil. Okay, fats are found in nuts, ghee, butter and oil. Is also a good source of energy. These are the foods is also a good source of energy. Now children, do one thing. Turn the page. Go to page number 8. Now we are going to read about the body building food. Here is the page number 8. We are going to read about the body building foods. Now foods such as milk, dals, meat, fish and eggs. These are the foods which help us our body to grow. That is why we call them body building foods. Okay. These are the foods. Which are the foods? Milk, dals, meat, fish and eggs. These are the foods which help us our body to grow. Even we take milk. We take lot of milk products also. As I told you when we have started the lesson, I told you that Minnie and Mickey, they went back to home and they saw on the table a glass of milk and a sandwiches. Why milk, I am saying? Because milk makes our bones and teeth strong. Even the milk products like such as cottage cheese, which we called it as a paneer also, and curd are made from milk. They are good for our health. Those are the milk products. Okay, cottage cheese, paneer and curd. Can you see in the photos? It has been shown there. Bodybuilding foods are here. Okay, cottage cheese is there, paneer is there and milk is here. Okay, is that clear till now? These are the bodybuilding foods which help us our body to grow. Now see what is protective food. What is protective foods? Protective foods include fruits and vegetables which protects us from the diseases. Okay, these are the fruits and vegetables which protects us from the diseases. Diseases like if you may have a fever, suppose. So what usually we will do, what your mother will do, she will prefer more fruits. She will prefer even the vegetable soups. Instead of giving you chicken biryani or any spicy or oily food, they prefer all these fruits and vegetables. Fruits like all kind of fruits and vegetables in the form of soup she may give you when you are not well. So these are the foods which help us from the diseases. Okay. So till now it is clear, children. We have discussed about the why we need a food and why we need a food and what food will help us, how food will help us and what are the kinds of foods. Foods are energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. Okay, till here it is clear now? Children, then we will continue the next page, means the next topic in our next class. Okay, so till then take care, stay home, stay safe.